In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Nova to GMGN.AI. So before we begin, you will need an account at GMGN. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can use my link to sign up in case you haven't already, and you will save 30% on all trading fees with that link. So make sure to check that out. Now, once you got that, you want to of course sign in and then go to this website over here, which is click.tradeonnova.io. And from here, you want to tap on Download for Chrome. From inside the Chrome Web Store, which is where this link will take you, you want to add this to Chrome because this is essentially a Chrome extension. So just click on that, and then press Add Extension. And then just like this, as you can see, it's been added to your Chrome. Now you can then close this down, and then over here, it will now say Connect Telegram on this same website. What you want to do is click Connect Telegram, and then you can do this either on your desktop app, so in case you have Telegram downloaded on your computer as an app, you can use that and click Start Bot and this will do it. Or if you use the web version like me, you can just click Open in Web over here, and this will open up the Telegram web. Now, you will then have to click Start over here or click Start up top right, but if you get this message which says Mainbot is currently under maintenance, no biggie, you can just click over here on either bot 1 or bot 2 because you can continue using it that way. From here, what you want to do is then first go inside over here where it says wallets and make sure you have a wallet created inside Nova. And then once you do, click on settings as well. And then inside settings, you want to make sure you click on a Nova click over here bottom right and make sure use panel settings are green. So if that's green, that's perfect, but if it's like this, so if it's red, it means you don't have it turned on. You just want to turn this on by clicking on Use Panel Settings, and there we go, we're set to continue. Now we're going to continue on the GMGN.AI website. Of course, once you're logged in with your account, what you have to do is just go top over here, top right, where you can see this puzzle icon, and click on the Nova extension over here, where you can see this pin button. Now when you click this pin button, it will add your Nova over here, and as you can see, if I just click on Nova now and click over here, it will enable it and refresh your GMGN website. Now you have all your presets in here, and you can of course save them and enable the Nova panel over here. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just showing you how to do this, so make sure you do this according to your own needs and according to your own knowledge. And then you can just go inside any coin over here, and as you can see, you'll be able to see your Nova click over here, and you can start using it by your will. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.